Hello guys, we'll be talking about present value concept and future value concept today. So as you can look in the screen, I'll be starting this session by posing a question to you guys. So which of the following has more worth, $100 today or $100 1 year from today? I'll give you guys 5 seconds to think and guess an answer. Okay. Uh, the $100 today uh, will be better than $100 1 year from today. The reason, okay, I'll give you the reason with an example. Okay, let's say today, example assumption purpose, today you can buy 1 kg of rice for $100. Let's assume. So all over the world, we are in an inflationary environment. So 1 year from now, the price of the rice would be let's say $110. So after 1 year, if you keep the same $100, you won't be able to buy one kg of rice with the same $100 which you have today. After 1 year, you will be able to buy only zero point 0.9 assumption purpose. You'll be able to buy only zero point 0.9 kgs of rice. So this is what a future value is. So basically, if you put the money in a bank, the $100 which you have today, if you put it in a bank, it will yield you some interest, and after 1 year, the $100 which you have today will give you like around $10 extra, and this $100 will be equivalent to $110, or depending on the interest rate, it will be more than $100 after 1 year. So this is the premise of what a present value and the future value. Uh, we'll be discussing about future value and present value with examples. First of all, we'll start with future value concept. Okay. You guys are aware of a concept called recurring deposit. So what is a recurring deposit? As you can see in the screen, uh, recurring deposit is all about depositing some amount of money in a regular interval. Okay, so the recurring deposit, a customer who's a bank customer, he can deposit little bit of money each month. In this example, I have given an example of 2,500. In this case, a customer deposits a certain amount of money on a particular day each month, and he'll be expected to get a future value based on the money which he invests. So in this case, he invests $2,500 each month, and at the end of the year, you would be expected to get a certain amount based on the interest rate which the bank gives. Okay, so as you can see from the example, the bank is giving an interest rate of 8%, and he'll be getting a certain sum of money after 12 months, because he is investing $2,500 each month. So what we are interested in here is this future value which the customer will get. So as you can see, the future value will change based on the investment he makes. So let's say he invests 5,000 each month. See how his future value has changed. He'll be getting $62,000, 664 after 2016. Uh, let's say he invests 3,500 each month. Then at the end of the year, he'll be getting $43,865. Let's say the bank is more generous and offers 10 percentage. So as the bank is offering more interest rate, the future value which the customer will get will always also increase. So uh, the future value, it depends on the investment which you make and the interest rate which the bank gives. Okay, so now since you have seen the future value, we will see the formula which is used in calculating the future value. So the formula for future value is the interest rate. The first argument, I'll write it down again. The formula is FV. The formula name is FV, and we'll give the rate. So in this case the bank is offering 10 percentage, so we give that is E5. E5, usually this is the annual rate. We'll convert into monthly rate by dividing by 12. This is the rate which the bank gives, and then the customer is investing $3,500 each month for 12 months. So will N per year is 12. And then PMT. What does PMT mean? PMT is the amount which the customer invests. In this case, it's 3,500. Since money is going out of customer, we are giving minus 3,500 here. Then present value is 0 because he is not having any present value right now before investing. And the type is at the start of the month or end of the month. In this case, we'll give it as 1. So with this formula, we can even make this cell based. So in this case, it is I4. So let's see what happens. Okay. I4 is not the amount. I5 is the amount. So you'll be getting 44,345.98. If I change same result as we got in the previous cell. So if I change the investment amount, my the money which I'll be getting after 1 year will also change. So this is called a future value of the present cash flow. You invest a certain amount each month, and you are expected to get a future value based on the interest rate the bank gives. This is called as the future value.